If images aren't loading properly in Microsoft Edge, or you want to make sure every website can display pictures the way it should, this quick tutorial is going to help. In this video, I'll show you how to enable images in Edge step by step so web pages, articles, thumbnails, and visual content can load normally again. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if sites are looking broken or incomplete. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, choose Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can control how Edge behaves, including privacy options and site permissions. On the left side or within the settings categories, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains a lot of browser controls, so take your time and look carefully. Next, scroll down until you find Site Permissions. Click on that because this is where Edge manages what websites are allowed to do, such as access your camera, microphone, notifications, and in this case, images. Inside Site Permissions, click All Permissions. This will show you the full list of permission categories available in Edge. Now search for images and click it. This is the exact setting you need if images are blocked or disabled in the browser. Once you're on the images page, look for the option that says Show All. If it's turned off, toggle it on so websites are allowed to display images normally. Turning this on tells Edge to load images across websites instead of hiding or blocking them. After you enable the setting, go back to the web page you were having trouble with and refresh it. In many cases, the images will appear immediately after the page reloads. If not, close and reopen the browser and check again. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled images in Microsoft Edge using the site permission settings. This is a useful fix if pages are missing visuals, if product photos aren't showing, or if your browser has been configured to block images by mistake. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, Windows fixes, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.